Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a pretty simple recipe, but before that, let me bless you with a Bible verse. I'm reading from Galatians chapter 6 verse 2, and it says, share each other's burden. In this way, obey the law of Christ. People are going through so much things nowadays. So if you see your brother, your sister, your neighbor, a dear friend going through something, do well to give them a help. Go up to them, ask them what you can do to help them, and you will be blessed. Now, let's get to today's video. So I have this simple fried shrimp recipe that is really easy to make. All you need are 4 ingredients: pork rind, Parmesan cheese, egg, and your shrimp. So you can buy the pork rinds that are already pre-blended, but this is what I have. I normally like to grate my own Parmesan, but this is the only Parmesan I had with me, so we're gonna go with it. And so all you have to do is just crush up the pork rinds. I'm just banging it with my rolling pin. But you can blend it. Sometimes I like to blend it too, but you can do whatever you can just to crush it, and then just put some of the Parmesan cheese inside and then mix it together. And now you're gonna crack your egg, beat it up, and then pour some into the shrimp to make sure all of it is coated. You can also do it the other way, where you take the shrimp and then dip it in the egg and then dip it in the crumbs, but I just like to do it this way. And then after that, you just dip the shrimp into the crumbs. Make sure it's coated pretty well. Now for my shrimp, I just season with salt. Sometimes I like to add some pepper if I want it spicy, but you can use whatever spices you like. And all you have to do is coat it and then put it in the air fryer. Now you're gonna fry it for 8 minutes at 385. When that is done, you're gonna flip the shrimps and then fry it again for 3 minutes at 400. And then after that, it is done. Now I did try to do this with mozzarella sticks. It was pretty good, but it needs a little bit of tweaking. When I get that done, I will be sure to post the recipe for that. But anyway, here's the result. I had it with 1 soft-boiled eggs and some ribs, and it was so delicious. This is something that once in a while we like to make and just add it to our meals. So I hope you try it. Let me know in the comments if you do, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and share this channel and share this recipe with your loved ones. Until the next time, bye.